We're back. Are you so excited to see this kitchen again? I know if you watched the last video, you know it's been demolished, but I wanted to include a little refresher here because it has been a while since I've posted. This was done mostly on weeknights after work and on most weekend days. I did not have much of a life during this process because there was a lot to demo. I didn't get the tools that I know now would have helped. However, I got the job done. I got a lot of stress out. It was great, and I learned a lot along the way. I wasn't about to DIY drywall though, so I brought in Albert and Braulio, and they were an immense help. You'll see more of them later. So this is going away. All of this is going away. And this stud is going away. So only from here, that way will be a wall. And the rest will be decorative partition. And on Monday morning, this is getting drywalled. You're getting that's the new window size, built-ins, hood, upper cabinets, refrigerator, and pantry. I did this more often than I thought I would admit to, but imagining the future kitchen was pretty exciting. IKEA has a good tool for this. This was the visualizer using their kitchen cabinets and appliance specs. Highly recommend, even if you just want to play around with design. And now we're into the dining room for a bit. We have this super cool wood paneling that I didn't necessarily hate, but didn't love the color of. And I learned that you can actually paint it. I think the texture of the paneling and the richness of the color really do add to the dining room. So if you're thinking about it, I recommend it. Go for it.
Stop it.
This is the remodel kitchen setup.
Right. Let's try it.
For flooring, I landed on Scratch Stone by Lifeproof. It's supposed to look more like a natural stone, and I wanted something that was neutral that didn't compete with the existing hardwood flooring throughout the rest of the house. For cabinet bases, I went with IKEA's section line and found it super easy to use and assemble.
Good morning. I've just woken up. I'm about to start building some cabinets. We are in the kitchen, mostly painted. This area is not, because that's where cabinets are going, and I was low on paint, so did what I needed to do. And we got all of that done. All of that wall done. Dining room is going to be very cool, I hope. I just have this idea. We're going to see if it works, but it's going to be like very like glam restaurant-y kind of feel in there, and that will tie into the kitchen, but it's just going to have accents in the kitchen. The kitchen's going to be another neutral, sort of calm, bright palette, because there's really not a lot of light that comes in here. When I woke up this morning, there was no kitchen. And now, looks like a kitchen. Next step is going to be doors and filler pieces and all of that. Just having the stove inside the house was a big milestone. I'm so excited, I can't contain myself. I want to share this with everybody. I'm sending it to random friends. It's been a few months without a kitchen at all, so I've been relying on what I've put together on this little microwave cart, coffee and a microwave. And I did buy a burner, but I've only used it like once or twice. And I get to take the plastic off of it. Okay. There's a new dishwasher with buttons. Oh my God, today was amazing. I can't thank the guys that helped me enough without being awkward about it. I'm just so thankful. I'm so happy. I cannot wait to make some food. I've got a beautiful green wall and some gold accents, and depending on how these curtains come in tomorrow, I'm gonna have more gold. I'm just so excited. What I'm secretly hoping for is that I can get this done in time to have a Friendsgiving. This is Lady Bird helping me with those curtains, helping me visualize the vibe, and helping me make it happen. Got quartz countertops with gray and gold in them, or tan, to kind of go with the floor and cabinets. Got these uppers there. Everything is soft close. And it did happen just in time to have a Friendsgiving.
I'm gonna try this. Thank you.
I just stopped the music to make this little video.
I remember like in elementary school, like if you like were swinging. I'm very easy. Never an opportunity to take. No, it's fine.
Still some finishing touches to go, but so far it's been really nice, and I'm very thankful for all the help and for how it turned out. Until next time.